Hey, how's it going, everybody? So this morning I decided, hey, you know what? I got to replace the string or the line on the doors of the shelters. So I took the tractor out and I said, well, I might as well do the one Ol'Blue was in. So now Ol'Blue is out and people have been asking me about Ol'Blue. So let's go out and have a look at Ol'Blue. Okay, here we go. Anyway, for those who haven't heard of Ol'Blue, Ol'Blue is a 1993 GMC K1500. It was a half ton, but we used it with an Arctic snowplow on from 1994 up till 2008. It has original paint, although it's faded on the top a bit. The sides are nice and crisp, and it's got a lot of accessories on it from that period, such as the Weston front grille or the front push bar, and it's got some new upgrades. It's got the LED lights, and I put some new headlights and signal lights in it because, as you know, the OEMs turn yellow after a while. It's see, the tires are basically new. They got the it's got a 3-inch lift kit or 2.5, 3-inch lift kit. It's got as you can see, the stainless steel mud flaps, GMC. It's got rough crunchy shocks, and that's what the lift kit is. It's got a lot of LED lights. It's got camera up in the back, infrared, LED light bar. Again, the tires. Listen to it, guys. Isn't that nice? Ever so smooth. New tail lights that we put on a few years back. I retired it from snow clearing, which I was the only operator for it, and I retired it back in 2008. That's when we got into the Kubota tractors instead. It's got the trailer hitch on it, and it's got the 7-pin and 4-pin connectors. It's also got the trailer control module in the dash, or under the dash. And now, this can be twice as shiny as it is, but I have a film, storage film, sprayed on most of the chrome because this is where it sleeps. So it I don't like to have it get damp. Try to preserve it. I'll show it to you inside. So you can see that the seats have been changed out, and they have heated seats. And sorry guys, I hit the button. Yeah, so it's got heated seats. Needs a bit of vacuuming done because I've been getting in and out of it now for the last half hour. It's got a 7-inch LCD monitor. That's the light controller there. It's got a new stereo system in it. Wicked sound, wicked sound. And it's got overhead console. It's got the dash. It's got 98,000 kilometers on it, I believe. Yeah, 98,614. It's got pillar post gauges, which are cool. It's got HD dash cam. I got it unplugged there now because it's usually parked most of the time, so there's no point in having that running. It's got the original cup holder right there, a bit dusty. And it's got a GPS. It's got Buick Park Avenue horns. But if you really want to press a woman, it's got these. Just listen. I'm telling you folks, it's loud. Wife's going to be out in a minute. She's going to be mad with me. Let's have a look inside, under the hood. Look how the doors close. Unbelievable. Now again, it's probably a little bit dirty underneath because I haven't used it in a couple of years. solvent sprayed and undercoated. There's a tank there for the horn and the compressor, and there's also an auxiliary tank up underneath that you can plug an ear line into right here. Let's see if I can do this right there. Just unplug that. Like that. See? And you can plug your ear line into it. Weston pipes and Weston push guard from 1993. I mean, just look at that engine. And there's the horns down here, which is pretty cool. It's pretty neat. Probably one of the most reliable vehicles I have ever owned. And I'm serious. Look at the bumper, no rust. Now that bumper was replaced under warranty. It had some rusting, actually, I think the first year on the OEM bumper. So that is an OEM bumper they replaced it with. Actually, I did my own warranty work at the dealer for it. So isn't it cool, eh? Last year, when we bought the Bronco, I said I'm gonna sell it. Put it on Marketplace. Got about 15 calls in a few hours, and then I chickened out, so I kept it. But I'm having some more thoughts now. It's just a beautiful machine. But I mean, hey, I got a real problem. I got more machines than I do have people to drive them. So there it is. So for the guys that wanted to see it, there it is. Ol'Blue, out in the wild again. All the drive line, everything on is mint. I look after my stuff. Anybody knows me can tell you that. But I just thought you'd get a kick out of seeing a Survivor 1993 GMC pickup, 305 engine. Never ever had any problems with the engine. I think under warranty I put 102 sensor on it. And that's the only warranty work other than the bumper that it had. Like I say, I was at the dealership, so I did all the work. The reason why the hitch was on it is because we had a dump trailer, and I towed the dump trailer maybe a half a dozen times, and with our metal. And we sold the dump trailer last year because we weren't using it much. And now that I have the dump trailer gone, kind of don't need the truck. So, but hey, whatever it is, it looks like nice lawn art. Anyway, folks, hope you enjoyed seeing it. You guys take care and look after yourself and have a great day.